Chapter 49, Windows of Opportunity. The price you fail to pay today will be paid tomorrow with interest. Having come this far, I want to use this chapter to invite you to partake of the investment and wealth creation vehicles we have in place at our organization. This is to help give you opportunities to practice the principles you have learned and see results from them. Chapter 1, The Fingerprints Investment Club. 2. The Common Sense Estate Developments. 3. Common Sense Training, Seminars, Consultancy. 4. Fingerprints Corporative Multi-Purpose Society. 5. Other Opportunities. The Fingerprints Investment Club. The Fingerprints Investment Club is an initiative of the Common Sense Ltd. Board, a company I presently have the privilege to head as the CEO. After many years of teaching these investment principles, we have discovered, along with other experienced and highly versatile investors, that a lot of people need those they could trust to help them set up investment vehicles and oversee their smooth running. The Fingerprints Investment Club is therefore one of our own little ways of helping people become wealthy. It is an investment club aimed at motivating, guiding, and assisting you to invest your money wisely. We call Fingerprints Investment Club the pathway to wealth, because every club member who faithfully and consistently operates this unique investment plan will become a guaranteed millionaire at stipulated time frames, as you will see from our investment chart. This is your invitation to consider becoming a Fingerprints Investment Club member, a club that will usher you into the Millionaires Club. No more wasteful spending. It is time for investing. Fingerprints Investment puts the 3 steps on the pathway to wealth together to help you become wealthy. Financial literacy. As a club member, you get continuous information and motivation, as well as tips and opportunities through our seminars and products to help you. Financial planning. We have created a plan that will become your vehicle to wealth. You only need to join us and let's ride together. With as little as 10,000 Naira a month, you can become a millionaire in 5 years, guaranteed, because we give you a guaranteed 20% return per annum. Financial discipline. Our bylaws are structured to help you maintain the discipline required for wealth creation. Patience, consistency, and delayed gratification are essential ingredients in this discipline. With Fingerprints Investment Club, you cannot go wrong. Don't miss this opportunity, because like I have said all through this book, no one will plan your future for you without your active involvement. What it is, FIC means Fingerprints Investment Club. FIC is an investment vehicle that gives interested individuals the opportunity to invest a minimum of 5,000 Naira every month and get a fixed and guaranteed 20% return. How it works. You join the club after going through all the membership process. You decide how much you want to be investing every month, but the minimum is 5,000 Naira and it must be monthly. Remember the compound interest element and the power of annuities. We invest the money on your behalf as we deem fit, especially in intellectual property and real estate, while you get a fixed and guaranteed 20% per annum. How to join. Collect an application form, fill it completely, and sign the agreement. Pay a one-time membership due. Collect your acceptance letter, code number, and identity card. Start investing your chosen amount every month. Abide by the agreed bylaws. Benefits. You invest your money and go to sleep, while your money goes to work for you. You get a guaranteed 20% return on your investment per annum, while the fund manager bears the risk. You become a millionaire with ease and in an assured time, as can be determined from the return on investment chart. You will be securing your future and that of your family. You will be planning your retirement with ease. You can do this for your company, self, family, child, baby, or unborn child. You become an investor and not just a spender or waster. Common Sense Estate Development. Apart from the FIC, another window of opportunity available through our platform is our estate projects. We are also into estate development, and the estate project is primarily to make genuine and affordable land and houses available to interested individuals, both for residential and commercial purposes. We buy large expanse of land in hectares, sell individual plots to people, and together we develop a fully functional residential estate. We sell you the land, we can build for you, manage for you, and help you build wealth through real estate. We have handled 5 of such estates so far, ranging from 50 acres to a 200-acre estate. By the time you're reading this, I don't know how many we would have done, but you can call us anytime you read this and we will let you know what is on. You can be a commission-based sales agent with us and make money from our real estate projects. If you are an investor just wanting to invest money in real estate in Nigeria, contact us. We can work together. Common sense training, seminars, and consultancy. We offer training courses, seminars, and consultancies covering the scope of this book and more. We do these for churches, organizations, corporations, civil servants, students, etc. Contact us and we can work together to make financial intelligence available. I am available to speak on any platform and on various topics and issues. The Fingerprints Corporative Multipurpose Society. For generations, people have created wealth through cooperatives, thrifts, contributions, networking, etc. By teaming up with others, an individual is able to achieve more than they could alone. Team always achieves more than the sum total of our individual achievements. After over a decade of helping people create wealth, I have realized that bringing people into a network under an umbrella where they can be closely mentored, monitored, and empowered is vital to them creating wealth. The Fingerprints Corporative Multipurpose Society is a platform that has been created to help you create wealth. Our uniqueness: access to mentoring, access to microfinance, access to loans, access to networking, access to opportunity. Contact us for detail. Other business opportunities. We have over 20 books and products available till date. You can be a marketer or distributor of all our products, including the present one, and make good money on a part-time basis. Contact us. We can open you up to a lot of business opportunities for yourself, your church, your business, or your organization, in oil and gas, travel and tours, etc. Take advantage of these windows of opportunities. Circus lesson. If the circus is coming to town and you paint a sign saying, "Circus coming to the fairground Saturday," that's advertising. If you put the sign on the back of an elephant and walk it into town, that's promotion. If the elephant walks through the mayor's flower bed, that's publicity. And if you get the mayor to laugh about it on the evening news, that's public relations. If the townspeople go to the circus, you show them the many entertainment booths, explain how much fun they'll have spending money at the booths, answer their questions, and ultimately they spend a lot of money at the circus,